What we're doing today?
Feeder day, baby! Everybody loves feeder day!
Safety first.
We're working hot today, baby. Oh, there's no way, dude.
Tristan forgot his safety glasses. He's a goggle boy.
Oh, yes.
Okay, let me have my goggles back.
Guess you can have those.
Woo! I can see clearly now the rain is gone.
We're here at one of our jobs, small commercial restaurant. We're pulling feeders today. Tristan's pumped. It's gonna be a short pull. It's not much, 50 feet maybe, 30 feet, 40 feet, somewhere in there.
The lowdown, we're gonna pull feeders and we're gonna pull HVAC wires. Not HVAC wires. It's feeders for the HVAC units, but we're gonna pull the actual feeders for all this gear as well.
So what is all this going on here?
So this is a CPI panel, which is just Carolina Products Inc. apparently. What this actually is though, is it's a several panel concoction. So you have your MDP, then right above it you have your isolated ground panel, then you have a panel S, then you've got a panel M. This is your panel cover, right? So you just flip this open, bam, you got your panel. And then you have K1, K2, or LP, and it's all the same thing. You flip it open, bam, right into your breakers. And then in this section here, you have a lighting control panel, you have relays, you have contactors, lighting contactors. So your lighting control panel is actually in here as well. So yeah, those are your override buttons. Then you have all your contactors, and then you have your lighting control, like that's your little programmer. Your override switch, your bypass switch, all of it. It's all one unit. It's actually two units. Right here, there's a division, but we made those two together, and you just have one conglomerate piece of switchgear. Our breaker is in this section. We have to move all this crap first, but.
So what is this for people that aren't familiar?
This is your main switchboard.
We'll show you guys once we move all that stuff. Tristan, why don't you show us your white monster?
I heard if you drink white monsters, you're gay.
Fair enough.
Hey, just for everyone, look at these. You see those calluses? My hands are not soft. Those are calluses if I've ever seen them.
Got the gorilla grip.
So,
Yeah, this is kind of the back of the kitchen. So a lot of food prep and stuff like that. There's gonna be a walk-in cooler right here, back behind me, all up in this stuff, walk-in cooler. They just have to build it still. Yeah, so I mean, there's not a lot going on here. This is the manager's office area. So we got a lot of sound control, heating and cooling control, little TV, computers, data, all this stuff. And then up here is kind of the main kitchen. So drive-through window, and a lot of the power. The serving counter is right here. And there's your dining room. So a lot of little stuff going on in here. We roughed it in a week and a half probably. Now we're just getting ready to pull feeders because they're working on getting mud on the walls, and they need a better heat source because we're in the middle of winter finally. We got to take a hit. Take a hit. Uh-oh.
he needs the bass off.
You can open it, don't lie.
Where's the bass off? You're gonna have to edit this out.
I'm not editing nothing, dude.
Dude, you better edit this out.
Still not getting it? Oh, you broke them.
I didn't break them.
Dude.
They were broken.
I've had these for like 10 years.
They were broken when I pulled them out of your bag.
What the? They finally gave up the ghost.
Oh, fucking hell.
And Tristan's still struggling.
Are you ready for this? Woo! Nothing better.
You ever meet a plumber, this is why they are the way they are. It's because they breathe this crap all day. You gotta, it's
Mine's
kind of,
squeak.
yeah, not a good day for Tristan. Just leave it. Like I was saying, we're gonna pull in here, but I think ultimately our wire is gonna land over on this side. But we'll start getting this opened up so you guys can see what's up. I'm gonna try and set the tugger up here. And we'll use this tugger. It's not a very far pull, but these are 300s or 350. Yeah, these are 300 copper, so I mean, they're pretty big. Not huge, but average. Above average. Anyway, I'm gonna try and set this tugger up. We're coming into these 3-4-inch conduits. We don't have a huge window here to fit the tugger in. So this tugger, this iToolCo, this is their 6K. This stuff is, their stuff is awesome. We've made a lot of videos with their stuff already, but we're gonna try and set this up and see if we can just pull straight out of the conduits up and over one of these rollers. We should have enough room to do that. Here's the setup. We have 2 cap stands we can choose from. We got the bigger one, which will obviously pull at a higher speed. The smaller one, pull at a lower speed. So this, and more torque, essentially, more power. 6K side and a 3K side. And we're set up in here. I'm in the conduit back there. And so it'll roll just over the end of that roller up, and it'll come down. And it should be pretty straightforward. Anyway, that's what we're gonna use to pull this wire. We have a string in there. We'll use that string to pull the rope in. This is 9/16 pull slick. I think it's their biggest rope. It's rated for, I wanna say 40,000 pounds. It's incredible. We've made videos of it in the past and we've talked about it a lot, but that pull slick rope definitely pulls better than just your regular nylon pulling rope like this. The pull slick pulls easier significantly, and it's stronger, and it doesn't stretch. I just realized I took it apart wrong. I'm supposed to leave this on there. That's better. So here's all of our cuts of wire. Like I said, this is a pretty short run, so we just had them cut it. We don't really need it on spools. That would have been a lot. But I need to phase it now. White, red, and blue. So we identify all of our sets. And then we can kind of get it stretched out and ready to go. So here's our tape we're gonna phase it with. We got it all phased. All right, Clayton. Good.
Do we have any power out here?
So we have the rope through here. Now we just gotta tie the wires on, which is the hardest part. And we're gonna use these little finger traps.
Not gonna work. It's tight. She ain't going nowhere. Got this dope rope from iToolCo. We have it attached to the iToolCo swivel. We got a couple master links here, and we have Chinese finger trap on our wire.
So we're ready to pull. We got the rope. Obviously going over down into the conduit. We're gonna bring it back. I'll wrap it around our capstan here, and then I have a foot pedal, and I can control the rope and the foot pedal And that's how we pull wire. Ready?
No.
Really?
Really?
What about now?
No. Now we are.
Oh, faster! That's as fast as I can go.
That's not the fast side.
Yes, it is. Ah, this rope's a little big.
Did you break the rope?
A little big for this capstan. Got it. That was easy. We didn't even need the tugger.
Yeah, we were doing all the work.
No, that was overkill. Well, that was easy. I mean, we knew it would be easy, but that was easier than we thought. The tugger really didn't do anything. The roller on the end is nice, but now we gotta disassemble all this and do it again. This time we're just gonna use the mule or the string and see if it'll pull.
Ready?
Yeah. They're pretty much just pushing.
Hold on.
Holding.
Okay.
Hold on. You have it? It's here. I gotta get the tugger out of the way. Okay. Oh, right here. That wasn't bad. This one we're just trying to push without a string. Not quiet. Huh?
Good.
All right. Good. You don't much like anybody.
I don't.
Feeders are in. Boom, boom, boom. We just gotta get them and land them. A, B, C. Neutral. It's like right there. So there's quite a bit of. This will take a minute to get landed. But this is the main distribution here. And then we branch out. So I played and got some wire pull for the rooftop units.
Yep.
So I got these. You could use this one. You could use this one. I got this if you want to try that. Or I could take this apart. We could use that.
Okay.
What do you want? What do you want, Papa?
That's fine. We'd have to take it off of the plastic, right?
Yeah.
Here's where we pulled. Boom, boom, boom. We gotta chase it. We chased them over there. Here's our breaker. Came over here because our breaker's right here. So they're all gonna land on that. So we gotta get this cover off. Get them on that breaker. We landed the wires on the breaker there. I didn't line the phase tape up. I'm sorry. It's all chilling in there. Tristan's gonna make up the grounds. And then I'm going back inside here. And we're gonna get these landed. Did you guys film at all when you were doing your stuff?
I don't. I thought we were, but I don't know that we were.
All right, wires are landed. Woo-hoo. Now it's time to put a little energy up in here. All we have to do now is just throw the breaker on in the main switch panel, make sure everything looks good, throw the breaker on, and yeah, that's what we're doing. So Clayton is checking continuity between all the phases in the neutral to make sure we didn't like cross a wire somewhere. And we've kept everything in order as it should be, because if you cross a wire, that's not a good thing. You can make a big boom. And so you check continuity to see if you have crossed anywhere. And Clayton verified we have not crossed anywhere. Is that right, little Chris?
That's right, brother.
She's on.
Out of my truck.
We'll throw it in the dumpster, so I'll go around front. Ugh. Squeeze you guys in here. Hold up. It's 5:18. Oh my gosh, I just hit the curb. That's embarrassing. How did I do that? Embarrassing. Anyway, 5:18. We're done. Gotta clean up some of this stuff. There he is. Oh, whoa. What am I looking at?
Looking at me, brother.
Are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
Nice, dude.
You see that? Did the camera get that?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
You going home?
Another day of giving the people what they want,
You
dude.
going home right there? Right in that?
To my home, my garbage can.
No, look. This thing's just chilling.
Oh yeah, dude, sugar free. You see that?
Interesting.
Fire, dude.
Alright.
I'm out of here. See ya.
Going home. Say bye to Tristan. Get back in here, y'all. Doing, doing. Alright. Well, take that off. Take those off. That was our day. Nothing that crazy, but I had to get some power on for them, so the painters and the mudders could do their painting and mudding, and it could be heated. And anyway, so that's the day. So appreciate you guys. Hit us up in the comments. Follow us, obviously, if you don't, but hit us in the comments with anything you'd like to see. So I probably didn't do the best job explaining everything we were doing, but anyway, any questions you have, let us know in the comments. We'll try and get them answered. And yeah, other than that, we appreciate you guys, and we will talk to you later.